have in front of me a 25 to 35 square cable joint kit. So there's no earth allowed for in this, which is just an accessory that's on some of the other ones here. You'll see the outer box that it comes in here. So it's a complete kit like this. Basically what we have here is we have large cable, we need to join it, and we want to have it joined in an underground area, and we don't want egress of water over a period of time to cause shorts, etc. So what we're going to do is you physically join the cable as normal, but what you're going to do then is you're going to put this mold directly around it and mix the mixture here, which we can see is polyurethane resin, okay? And it comes in that sealed bag there, okay? So we have an instruction manual here that gives quite a good overview on it. It's in English and French. There's a cloth here for cleaning down the cables, and there's also this unit here, and that's just for sealing it to make sure that the mold stays in position. What I've actually done is I've just opened up a different kit to show you what we'll have inside. So you might think when you rip open that bag your resin is going to run directly out, but that's not the case. What we actually have inside is two different types of liquids here, and what happens is they're sealed together. So if I ran my finger along here, I'll feel that there's the same type of stick mechanism here. So what it's doing is it's holding the two bags together and it's sealing the two bags. But when I remove that, I can mix the two liquids together. Then you mix it up, and what happens then is you use the port on top to pour it directly in. This will be clipped around the pre-joined cable, and what happens then is there's a little cap we put on top. We leave it there and it seals, and it gives us that watertight seal. So we have a range of sizes in it. These are very popular here. Most guys have probably done this a million times who are buying these type of kits anyway, but it just gives you a bit of a general idea here. So we probably have about maybe 5 kits inside the range here, and the reason we've done it, this by the way, again just to know, it's out of a different kit just to give you a demonstration of how this works, but we have everything here inside of the thing. Generally people actually leave this on the join afterwards, but it's a single use effectively, the actual mold itself. So that's it anyway, the 25 to 35 square cable join kits available with low cost small parcel delivery directly from freetv.ie.